Hi there, future fashion designers. If you're getting ready for the NIFT Situation Test, you are at the right place. Let's chat about 9 super helpful tips to get you prepped and confident for the big day. Ready? Let's go. First things first, know what you are walking into. The NIFT Situation Test evaluates your ability to create 3D models within a limited time using the provided materials. And it's all about showcasing your creativity, your material handling skills, and your spatial understanding. Familiarize yourself with materials like mount board, colored paper, wire, clay, fabric, and more. Practice crafting different shapes and structures to understand how different materials work. Set aside some time to practice creating models. Start with simple designs and gradually move on to more complex ones. Regular practice is what will improve your speed, precision, and confidence. During the test, you will have limited time to conceptualize and create your model, right? So practice completing tasks within a set time frame to simulate exam conditions and manage your time effectively. Before diving into model making, spend a few minutes brainstorming and sketching out your idea. A clear plan will guide your construction and ensure a cohesive final product. A well-crafted model with clean finishing stands out. Pay attention to little details. Ensure that your model is neat and that it reflects your dedication and precision. Keep an eye on current design and fashion trends. This awareness can inspire your models and demonstrate your relevance in the fashion world. Along with your models, you will need to provide a write-up explaining your concept. Practice articulating your ideas clearly and concisely to communicate your idea most effectively. Stay calm and confident. Lastly, keep your cool. Confidence can significantly impact your performance. Trust in your preparation and stay calm and let your creativity shine. The NIFT Situation Test is your opportunity to showcase your creativity and your design thinking. With consistent practice and a positive mindset, you are set to ace it. So good luck and don't forget to subscribe for more such tips and updates.